They say to be a nurse, you have to have a big heart and the ability to stop wounds before they even happen. Most would say that takes superpowers, but all it really takes is just a little heart. And we can help our patients recover quicker and live healthier lives.
This heart-shaped dressing, applied proactively to patients as part of a standard wound prevention protocol, has been clinically proven to stop hospital-acquired pressure ulcers from even forming.
And it all starts with early adoption of the Mepilex Border Sacrum dressing with SafeTac technology. Only this dressing is clinically proven to protect against shear,
reduce pressure,
maintain a balanced microclimate,
and minimize friction on the sacrum.
If you're passionate about giving a little heart to patients in need, you can prevent pressure ulcers, reduce medical costs, and shorten hospital stays.
Join the Nurses Have Heart cause and show the world.
A little heart goes a long way. The next step is yours. Show us your heart.